Hey guys, this is Shivam and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, Coconut X is now signed and you can install Uncover app, any Tweak++ apps. Go, even AppCake also signed. Already I have shown how to install AppCake. Now I'm gonna be showing how to install Coconut X. Now if you have already installed Coconut X and uninstall that because that is definitely unable to verify, so go ahead and uninstall that. Now it is signed and we can download apps. So let's say I have Uncover and which is not working right now. By the way, it's working for me. So I have Uncover. I'm just gonna delete this Uncover and this is jailbroken device. Now go to the Safari and type Coconut X. When you see this install button, click on that and there we go. The window will pop up to install Coconut X and it started installing. Okay, once it is installed, click on that and it is showing untrusted enterprise development. Okay, we can see the certificate CCS Group Private Limited. So to fix that, go to setting, in general, profile and management. There we go, CCS Group Private Limited, and now go ahead and click that trust button, trust, and there we go, we are done. Now open Coconut X. Now you have the option of installing all kind of Tweak apps which is available here. Minecraft, you will get this annoying ads, so bear in mind, get ready for that. Okay, just go ahead and open the Coconut X. There we go. If you scroll down, you can see jailbreak apps, Minecraft and KineMaster, TikTok, all kind of Tweak apps. So let's say just want to install. If you want, you can get IPA files even from this and go ahead and install that. There we go, it's installed and click on it. To fix that, go to the setting, in general, profile and management, and this is a different certificate. Go ahead and trust that. There we go, and now we can watch any torrent file and you can download any torrent file. So that's the torrent file which is working. Okay, and now go to the Coconut X. Now we are going to get, you can literally download any app you want. Now go to the Uncover and install Uncover. There we go. Now as you can see, the Uncover has started downloading. So let me tell you, recently Uncover team tweeted that 13.5 version is coming soon and it's almost 90% completed. Actually, it's completed for developers. iOS 13.5 is already jailbroken with Uncover. It is being tested by developers. It is on the process and official jailbreak will be announced very soon for this Uncover. Right now, if you want to jailbreak with the Uncover, you should be on iOS 11 to 13.3. That in between, this doesn't support for iOS 12.4.2, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever it is version, and iOS 13.3.1 doesn't support right now. So I hope you understand. I'm running on iOS 13.3 and iPhone SE. You can't jailbreak with 13.3.1 and above. You need a checkra for that. Recently I made a video on when Uncover jailbreak is coming for iOS 13.3. I mean literally for all the devices, Uncover jailbreak is coming very soon, 90% completed, and very soon they will announce official jailbreak. So be patient for that, and it doesn't matter what version you're on. So once the jailbreak is dropped, you can upgrade to 13.3. so you have to wait for a few days for that. Let's jailbreak this device. So make sure you go to the setting. Before jailbreaking, go to the setting and click that reload demons off and done. And now go to flight mode. You should be on flight mode if you are jailbreaking the iPhone, and click on jailbreak. There we go, it's completed. Now if you see, we have the swipe option, means the jailbreak is completely successful and we are back to the normal mode. And there we go, all the tweaks are available here. So Go check out, guys. Install this Coconut X and even AppCake. As you can see, I am 22 Friday, and these two are signed right now. It might be revoked tomorrow or day after tomorrow. No idea. Maybe after that they will sign it. So guys, hope you understand, and make sure to subscribe my channel. If you are new to this channel, hit that bell icon to get notified, because whenever apps are signed and any jailbreak news, I'm the one who's doing this video and providing you all the information about jailbreaking. See you in the next video. This is Shivam signing off, and it's always peace.